Sweet peas are a delight in any garden. Their presence brings a touch of elegance and charm that is hard to match. Their delicate beauty and intoxicating fragrance make them a favorite for gardeners of all levels. Whether you're a novice or an expert, sweet peas are a joy to grow. Imagine a warm summer breeze carrying the sweet scent of these charming flowers across your garden. It's a sensory experience that can transform any outdoor space. Sweet peas come in a wide array of colors, from soft pastels to vibrant hues. Each color brings its own unique charm and can complement any garden design. There are varieties to suit every taste, with names as enchanting as their appearance, such as Kupani's Original, High Scent, and Painted Lady. Each variety offers something special. These romantic climbers, with their tendrils reaching for the sky, transform fences and trellises into fragrant walls of color. They add vertical interest and a touch of whimsy to any garden. The key to successful sweet pea cultivation lies in understanding their preferences. These cool season annuals thrive in well-drained soil and a sunny location. Autumn sowing is ideal for most regions, as it allows the plants to develop strong root systems before winter sets in. However, if you miss the autumn planting window, don't despair. Sweet peas can also be sown in early spring, once the risk of frost has passed. Choose a sheltered spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily for optimal growth and flowering. Sweet peas prefer a slightly alkaline soil, which helps them thrive and produce vibrant blooms. The soil should be rich in organic matter, which provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure. Before sowing, prepare the ground by digging in plenty of well-rotted manure or compost. This not only enriches the soil, but also enhances its water retention capabilities. This will improve drainage and provide essential nutrients for healthy growth, ensuring your sweet peas have the best start. Sow sweet pea seeds directly into the ground, spacing them about 2 inches apart and 1 inch deep. This spacing allows each plant enough room to grow without competing for resources. Water well after sowing and keep the soil consistently moist. Consistent moisture is key to germination and early growth. To encourage strong, straight stems, provide support for your sweet peas to climb. This support is crucial as it helps the plants grow upright and access more sunlight. Trellises, obelisks, or even simple canes are ideal. Choose a support structure that suits your garden's aesthetic and the growth habit of your sweet peas. As the plants grow, gently tie the stems to the supports to prevent them from becoming tangled or damaged by wind. Regularly check and adjust ties to accommodate growth. Nourishing growth, watering and feeding. Sweet peas are thirsty plants, especially during dry periods. Water them regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around the base of the plants with a layer of organic matter, such as bark chippings or straw, will help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. To promote vigorous growth and abundant blooms, feed your sweet peas regularly throughout the growing season. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks, following the manufacturer's instructions. Alternatively, use a slow-release granular fertilizer at the base of the plants in spring. A riot of color, encouraging abundant blooms. One of the greatest joys of growing sweet peas is their prolific blooming habit. These charming flowers can transform any garden into a vibrant, colorful paradise. To encourage a continuous display of flowers, it's essential to deadhead spent blooms regularly. This simple task ensures that the plants keep producing new flowers. By removing the faded flowers, you prevent the plants from setting seed. This redirection of energy allows the sweet peas to focus on producing even more blooms, creating a stunning display. Another important technique is to pinch out the growing tips of young plants. This encourages bushier growth and results in more flowering stems, enhancing the overall beauty of your garden. Sweet peas are also heavy feeders, so it's crucial to provide them with regular doses of fertilizer throughout the flowering season. This nourishment supports their vigorous growth and abundant blooming. With a little care and attention, your sweet peas will reward you with a breathtaking display of color and fragrance from late spring until the first frost. Their beauty and scent are truly captivating. The joy of growing your own sweet peas is immeasurable. Watching them thrive and bloom brings a sense of accomplishment and delight. From the moment you sow the seeds to the day you savor their intoxicating perfume, These charming flowers bring a touch of magic to any garden. Their presence is enchanting and uplifting. So why not embrace the opportunity to experience the simple pleasure of growing sweet peas this year? It's a rewarding endeavor that brings joy and beauty to your outdoor space. You'll be rewarded with a garden filled with color, fragrance, and a touch of old-fashioned charm. Sweet peas truly are a gardener's delight.